So we're here at the Palm Beach Motor Coach Resort in Jupiter, Florida.
Yes, and we had a great stay. A huge thank you to the whole team, to Kelly and Chris, and to Randy and Sherry. Thank you guys so much for your hospitality.
So we spent 3 weeks here. We did a full video before they were open that shows the clubhouse and stuff if you're interested in more information. But we're off to Key West.
Yeah, woohoo!
Check out who's behind us. This is pretty cool. Oh, don't get dizzy. Our buddies Mark and Julie from RV Love are here. They're actually going to meet us in Key West, so you'll see them a little bit later in the video.
Yep.
They have this new bus that you might have seen on their blog called CC. Absolutely beautiful country coach that they did an amazing remodel on. They're just launching their remodel series now. We'll put a link for that.
Yeah, definitely check that out.
It's probably a few episodes in by the time we got this video out, so that should be really cool. But took a coach that was very affordable, we'll put it that way, and turned it into a coach that has all the features of our Entegra. It's just absolutely amazing.
All the sides are in and it's time to go.
Go. So we use this app called Sygic, S-Y-G-I-C. I think it's a European-based company, but it's essentially a GPS app for I think they make it for Android, but we have an iPad here. But it's nice because you can download the maps, so you don't need cell service for it to work. And it is a trucker-specific app, and since we're big, we use the trucker app. And that means that it gives us alerts on low bridges, make sure that we only go on roads we're supposed to. It takes into account things like propane and other things for tunnels. And it's been really good for us so far. We're pretty happy with it. So, yeah. Deer Key right now, and the deer that live here in the preserve are little baby deer. They're like tiny deer. I've never seen one, but here's a picture of them.
There's iguanas everywhere, but I'm having a really hard time getting them on video because they are so fast. We're almost there. Oh yeah.
All right, so we just arrived. We've taken a little shower and gotten changed, and we're set up. And this is probably, in our 4 years of full timing, the nicest campsite I think we've ever had.
Absolutely. I mean, this view is amazing.
Take a look. We'll just give you some pan shots there. That's amazing. This place is awesome. We're at El Mar RV Resort down in Stock Island in Key West.
Yep.
It's probably about 6 or 7 miles from Duval Street, right downtown. So what we're going to try to do is actually see if we can show you like 20 plus things to do, but so that we don't keep this video super long or super boring, we're going to do them really fast. We're thinking like less than 15 seconds per activity. That's kind of a tall order. We're not sure we can pull it off, but we're going to go for it. We do not have a list.
No, we're just going to go and see how we do. Rent a bike and ride around the island.
Get your picture taken at mile marker 0. Take a sunset cruise with free booze.
Yeah! Rent a scooter, or in our case, ride your motorcycle. It makes it really easy to park. Learn how to do a conch calling in the Conch Republic. Pretty good, right? Yeah, that wasn't me. Visit the first legal Key West rum distillery and take a shot of their Bad Bitch rum. Woo.
Visit the old car down by the marina and put your sticker on it.
Check out the local chicken wildlife.
Visit the Harbor Walk, check out all the amazing restaurants and some really big fish in the water too.
Rent a kayak and paddle through the amazing channels. We made it to our RV. Drink a key lime colada at their southernmost beach cafe. Oh yeah, that's good.
Buy some local swag. How do I look? Sit on the water and watch a beautiful sunset listening to live music.
At Sunset Pier. Visit Willie T's and write your name on $1 and staple it to the wall.
Have dinner and drinks with friends at Coach Republic. Yeah. Cheers!
Get key lime pie at Kermit's.
Watch live music at
Spooner's Bar. Indulge in naughty named desserts and drinks at Better Than Sex. Yeah.
Oh, what's a big one?
Go see a drag show at Aqua. Let's go. That was a lot of stuff.
Well, hopefully we showed you guys some fun stuff that you can do here in Key West. We just watched a beautiful sunset here. A big thank you to everyone at Elmar RV Resort.
Thank you so much.
For being amazing hosts. You guys are great. What a campground. Awesome.
Such a fun time.
I guess our last recommendation for you guys is don't forget to relax.
Yeah, sit down, have a drink, relax. After all, you are on island time.
See you on the road, guys.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
You can also subscribe to the blog directly on LivinLite.net, and you'll receive email updates of all of our posts.